What's up, y'all? So I've got the two
Open my snack.
birthday boys out here today.
Open my snack.
We're gonna try to get them to catch
Open
some.
my
Lucas in
snack.
his Spider-Man helmet. We're gonna try to catch some. Y'all stick around. What's up, y'all? I was fishing off the wrong side of the boat.
Yep. You got one?
I got two.
You got
About to get three. Now I've got two.
No, you got Cacao.
They followed him up.
Daddy, can I hold that? Daddy, can I hold that one? Daddy, can I hold that one? Daddy, can I hold
It
it?
must be that big one that I saw down there.
Daddy, can I hold it? Daddy, can I
Yeah,
hold it?
the largemouth.
I want to hold it.
And there was about 10 of them that followed that one up.
Daddy, I want to hold it.
You're gonna let Lucas throw him back. Throw him back.
I'm turning them back on my side.
Throw him back over there. Well, let's see if we can make that happen again.
I'm keeping this one.
No, throw him back in the water. We're not keeping him. Because it said so. Throw him back.
He's not a crappie? No?
He's not a crappie. I mean, there was like 10 of them that followed that one up.
Hold on, look it. Put it on.
Got him.
You got one? Got it.
Nice.
Catch. Daddy, can I hold that thing? Daddy, can I?
Choked it.
Can I hold that thing? Daddy, can I hold that?
Yeah.
I want to put him in the live well. I want to put him in the live well.
Put him in live well.
Brother, open the live well for me. Brother, open the live well for me.
All right, yo.
Brother,
Lucas, you have one.
I do? Oh, God.
And then Lucas has got one. We've got one
Oh, God. I got
one dropped, and Lulu's got one.
I got one.
Here.
I'm actually caught my bluegill, guys. Daddy, where's the fish?
All right, both my birthday boys have got them one on the boat.
I got me one. I want to put him in there.
Yeah, yo. Finally may have found a few of them. Start catching them right here. We're gonna tie up. Come here. Look at there. Ashton done got him another one.
How many fish is
We're gonna have to throw that one back, bud. He's tiny.
Why can't
All right, Ashton's taking me to school over here fishing for some crappie, y'all.
I want to put him in the live well.
We're not putting this guy in the long well.
Come on.
He has some shoulders. That's
I want
Y'all, I'm getting outfished by Ashton. It's official. But y'all want to know what it is? Ashton's got my lucky rod.
You're the one who,
It's the rod.
you're the one who let me use it.
I'm not using the lucky rod.
You're the one who let me use it.
Lucas is showing off his minnow. He did catch a bluegill though, so
There's a bluegill.
everybody's got one today so far. All right, y'all. Hey, for those of y'all that have been watching my videos, I truly do appreciate it. We got some more good ones coming. If some of this rain will ever hold off long enough and get time off with the wife, we're going to do some more river stuff. I think y'all will like that. More river stuff on the kayaks. I know the kids are looking forward to it. Anyways, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed. Do me a favor, smash that subscribe button for me. We'll catch y'all next time.